Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to set up Omanova VPN on your device. This app is available on the Google Play Store and helps you establish a private and secure internet connection while browsing online. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Omanova VPN. From the results, make sure to select the correct app by checking its name and icon. Tap on it, then press the install button to download it. Once installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll see the home screen. To configure it properly, follow these steps. Tap the three-line menu icon at the top. From the options, select Update. This ensures the app resources are refreshed for the best performance. Next, choose your network protocol. For this tutorial, we'll select UDP, which is often used for speed and reliability. If UDP isn't available for your location, you can select another protocol that works best for you. After that, choose a server. You can either manually pick one or leave it on auto-select, so the app chooses the best option for your location. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. After a few seconds, the VPN will show as connected. You now have a secure and private browsing session with Omanova VPN. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.